Amazing. This is amazing. This is really good to look at. This is a very good experience by these guys. Yo, well, well, well. What's up, guys? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Alright, so guys, we're gonna react to a brand new ATEEZ music video. This track is called My Way, Where Our Journey Begun. Now, I would like to know where their journey begun, so I'm curious to know where are they coming from. As a Jamaican, I'm curious. Oh yes, one question. Do anyone here who's watching know of Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments of how you become a fan of Bob Marley and why you love his music so much. So without further ado, guys, let's take a journey momentum into where the artists are from. Peace. This video seems great. Lovely mobile truck. This title is called My Way, Where Our Journey Begun. Right? So I guess their journey started in a deserted area. That's where they are from. That's where they are starting from. I'm not sure, but it seems so. Title says My Way. I love to see, because a lot of people out there who face a similar situation like these guys. So let's see if this also goes to me as well. So the caption says, right? We'll visit the place where we started. Okay. Okay, so this is the era I think that the fame started for them. I do respect this. This seems so chill, bro. Trust me. So the caption says, right? It's too early to say well done just yet. Okay, so they are working on the way to the top, right? And sometimes people look at you and you're being successful, you're not as yet successful, and people can say well done, but they are saying to us, the people who is watching, it's too early to say well done just yet, right? So we have a lot more to achieve. So this one is saying from the beginning is just halfway. I'm here for a good life. Right, everyone is here for a good life. I mean, like, why not? Why not? The music is what we are doing, so that is the good life we want to live. Guys, look, I do like this music, right? So the caption says also, I can admit it now. Life is going a long marathon. Yeah, life is messed up sometime, bro, and it's a long journey. It's a long journey. way. This is my way. This is our way. Freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. You guys are really cool. You guys are really cool, and I appreciate this so much. Trust me, you guys didn't have to come and do this for us, and you did. And we appreciate it.
곧 있으면 리허설을 하러 갑니다. 네, 아진 오늘도 한번 힘내서 파이팅 해보도록 하겠습니다.
Look, I wish you all the best. Right? Well, we'll do our best today at Mahazain. That's our place in your country, and we wish you all the best. In all the endeavors and the music, we wish you all the best, bro.
파이팅!
Whoa. 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 Grow up, bro. Grow up. Exciting people to watch, and they are really good at this.
안녕하세요. 저는 멤버들의 마와진.
Hello from bro. He said, I'm at our dorm to take a peek at the members' Manzoin performance. Right? So I guess they're in the dorm now. So let's continue.
무대를 보려고 잠깐 숙소에 왔습니다. 기대도 되면서 제가 다 떨리는 느낌인 것 같아요.
Bro, don't be nervous, bro. It's gonna happen to the best of us because we are gonna experience some people that we haven't, and to be around some people we have to be on our best behavior. And trust me, sometimes to be on our best behavior, especially when you're nervous, the nervousness just keeps on coming. The anxiety, the anxiousness, it's all happening at once. So just be yourself, bro.
모로코에서 저희가 시작한 그 해적왕을 또 6년 뒤.
So bro says he started the parking in Morocco, so it's really meaningful to do a parking performance in Morocco after 6 years. Bro, that's supposed to be incredible. That would be an incredible thing to see. Wow.
모로코에서 또 해적왕 무대를 하는 게 되게 뜻.
This is amazing. This is really good to look at. This is a very good experience by these guys. Dreams are everywhere, right? Just keep going as we have been. This is my way. Yeah, we have to keep going. We have to keep going because we want to accomplish our dreams.
산이가 자꾸 요즘 요거를 하길래 뭔가 했는데 이게 됐어. W.
You guys are cool. You guys are amazing. You guys are really beautiful people, right? Apparently, that's a W. We keep on our marking with this W shape. Yeah, I think that's something that they do with things. So yeah.
계속 해주는 것 같더라고요. 멤버들 너무너무 고생 많았어요, 진짜. 얼른 와.
So that you won't make it, but I think that's what happens sometime when we are going to do something and the other member cannot make it. But regardless of that, it's gonna be a good show. You guys are great, and I do appreciate that. This was a very good one, guys. I appreciate it. Wow, that is really good, guys. Look, subscribe for more. Stay tuned. I'm happy to look at these guys again. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.